Americans would call this stuff seafoam stuff. So this goes directly in down by the air injection ports. So it really gets right into the back of those valves really nicely. And you've already cleaned the intake manifold when you've had it off anyway. So the 8 holes in here get blocked up. They were blocked up. Yeah, that's right. That's because it was carbon and crappy. And then of course I'm using the Baru cleaner. Is this Baru? Oh no, there's a 3-bond. This is a 3-bond engine conditioner. Look how clean it's going now. Oh, I'm just about out. Both sides, don't just do the one side. Service while it's still running. That's the way to do it, eh?
It's good, apparently.
Yeah. We're not doing brain surgery though. Or heart surgery. What's heart surgery? Awesome.
I don't know if you fed what we fed into this into a human. I don't think the human would be very happy.
Sounded better though. What's going on here, Jace? There seems to be a 20-litre bucket of fluid.
Having a drink. Friday drinks.
On a Thursday? It's just about done. That'll get the carbon out. Catch up. See you next week.
Cow's got extra traction.
It looks like it's a semi-slick.
It is a semi-slick. It's a semi-slick cow.